Crazy vibes on this week's entertainment recap. Tanya Stephens collaborated with Cedella Marley and Diana King. Skeng arrested and pepper sprayed at the Norman Manley International Airport. Cousin Love with Star Dawkins and Lincoln Trinidad. New music and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Greatness, and I am here for it. Tanya Stephens collaborates with Cedella Marley and Diana King to release a new song dubbed Diamonds in the Sun. Tanya's aim was to work with other passionate entertainers to release Diamonds in the Sun, a captivating new single to serenade her fans and lovers of good music with great vocals and meaningful lyrics. The song has already started to receive a massive airplay. The single was produced by Tad, Junior Tads Dawkins, and Tad's Record. It talks about the travail of women as they confront the many challenges that society has put in front of them. A whole heap of some of this then. Diamonds in the Sun aims to emphasize the power of tears, symbolized as diamonds, as the artists captivate listeners to evoke their innate power, precious nature, and the strength to persevere. And you know we have a piece of it for you, right? Here you go.
She just sits there crying. Nobody hears her though. And her hope, it isn't dying. No, she gave up on it years ago. She's never had a taste of your justice. Her truth has never been spoken whole. Just one of a million faces interrupted.
Hey, come here. Them say cousin and cousin boy good soup. Such is the case with social media influencer and businesswoman Star Dawkins and dancehall artist and businessman Lincoln Trinidad. But wow, just wow. Seemingly in good spirits about what most would deem horrific, Star stated on the podcast dubbed The Fix, hosted by Nara and Ari, that she doesn't refer to him as an ex, but as a relative. Here's what Star had to say. Lincoln is my cousin. He's not an ex, he's my cousin, she declared. This is my cousin. He didn't want anybody to know. I was ashamed, but here we go. That is my cousin, and that's why we broke up. And like a cousin, we came up together. You know, cousins, we argue, we fight, we do bad stuff, but you come up together. We didn't grow up together, but we came up financially together. We elevated mentally together. So, it's always love there. And he's my cousin. When asked if she wanted to continue the relationship, Star admitted that she did. However, her ex, or should we say cousin, didn't want that. To be honest, this is above my pay grade. Or I will say it's above me. I just bring you guys the story. And guess what? To each his own. Skeng, say it ain't so. You were arrested and pepper sprayed for disorderly conduct at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica. This now add up. But let's get into the story. 21-year-old dancehall artist Kevon Douglas, known to his fans as Skeng, was charged for disorderly behavior and resisting arrest at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica. He was offered bail and is to appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew Court on June 21st, 2022. Skeng was removed from a flight at the Norman Manley International Airport. His lawyer, Christopher Townsend, stated that it was a simple thing that got out of hand. What happened from the information that he received was that the artist, Skeng, had checked all the way to the gate. There was an item that could not go in his luggage on the plane, which was in his hand luggage. He was then asked to remove it in compliance with the rules and regulations that govern international flights. After that request was made, there was a rude comment from the security, not the police. Skeng responded to say, that was rude. You never needed to do that. And from there, it got out of hand. Mr. Townsend said that the matter was an abuse of power on the part of the airport security and that his client was the one who was abused and felt threatened. Jano, I really hope this sort out and I'll go well. Africa Day happened on Wednesday, May 25th. It is the annual commemoration of the foundation of the Organization of African Unity, which started on the 25th of May all the way back in 1963. It is celebrated in various countries on the African continent as well as around the world. And here are a few highlights of the day being celebrated at Mona Heights Primary here in Jamaica. Take a look. It's a boy! Yes, Rihanna and A$AP Rocky, baby. Welcome their new baby boy. Yes, they are official parents. The diamond hit maker and a beauty mogul is said to have given birth on Friday, May 13th in Los Angeles, but there has been no news of the baby's name. Throughout her pregnancy, Rihanna has also been open about her excitement, fears regarding motherhood, and also being the fashion icon she has always been. I mean, we are going to miss the pregnant looks, but we are truly happy for them and we look forward to this new adventure with them as new parents. Congrats to these two lovebirds. I'm super excited for them, as if me a original auntie, but guess what? Big up on yourself. This week's new music, my favorite part of the show, features Jada Kingdom with Last Night, Protege with I Shan't Step In, Beenie Man with Blessing, Pan Blessings, Leela IK with True Love, and Keith Currency with Chaos. Take a look.
Last night was crazy, can't remember it. Who made my drink cause it was tampered with? Did I move too fast? I know my motion sick. This don't feel normal, I'm not used to this. Just tell me what happened, do me a best, send help. But then again, I did this to myself. Not innocent, please not tell my friends me a drink. Who did I take on with me? Oh, this sweet, yes sir. But don't know how ever did I think my head did my shot. And I who tell her follow me because me never said so. But you see true love conquers all sin. Oh, we gonna be alright as long as we still breathing. True love above all things. Yes, we gonna be okay as long as we got life.
Things have a way to repeat. Deja vu when you feel it. Open your heart to receive. No open your mouth for no reason. Oh, as the war still a wage, people still stuck in their cages. Imagine the cause of your race. History remove you from pages. Well, without African unity,
to do we come here to make some money and love some honeys and do it for our own time. Yeah, your love Father God and bun bad mind sing the punchline. His blessings from blessings from blessings, yeah. His blessings from blessings from blessings, yeah. His blessings from blessings from blessings. His blessings from blessings from blessings, yeah. His blessings from blessings from blessings. I don't really care. I bring in the chaos, mashing up the players. Cause I come in mad and them and just say yeah. I come in with chaos, mashing up the players.
again. I know me get dark again. So when I touch inside the park, you know it's hard again. Carnival is mass again. Even if I fall again, I gonna get back on my feet and stand tall again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. This week's birthday shout out goes to Heavy D, Etana, Janine, Faye Ellington, and the great Sugar Minot. Rest easy. Have a happy birthday to you all and continue to do great work. And you know, it can't be a birthday celebration without me saying, big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy each and every week for my earrings. Remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. If you have a story, a new music video that you love us to carry, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. Have a great weekend. Keep safe, spread love, joy, unity, and remember to always and forever big up you.